Multiple time frame analysis. A time frame is a specified period in which something occurs or is planned to take place. First, ano ba yung mga time frame na ginagamit ko sa trading? For extreme volatility, yung sobrang bilis na galawan, I use the 1-minute time frame. Pero yung usual, 3 minutes, daily, and weekly lang yung gamit ko palagi. I use the lower time frame, which is the 3 minutes, for precision entries and exits. Example, the stock is currently on the support level sa daily. I can switch to the lower time frame to look for any signals na magsasabi sa akin na I need to enter the trade like box breakout or rebirth. On the opposite, if the stock is in the resistance area, I switch again sa lower time frame, then look for any signals na magsasabi sa akin na I need to exit the trade like box breakdowns or disasters. I use the daily naman for decision making and identifying key levels on the chart. Lahat ng planning and trading decision mostly nangyayari sa daily time frame. Checking for support and resistance, checking for MA trails, checking for boxes and formation, checking for the RSI status and current zones. Dito lang ako madalas nakafocus. Then last, I use the weekly time frame to check the bigger picture and observe indicators kung ano yung current status. Kung ano yung current market cycle niya, kung may paradoxes ba, or nasa extreme levels ba yung RSI, or kung may MA trail na sinusunod sa weekly that might affect the price action at makadagdag sa conviction ko. Advice ko lang is focus more on the daily supported by the weekly chart at bawas-bawasan yung pag-check ng intraday chart or yung lower time frame. Kailangan kasi ng mastery when you use the lower time frame and there are certain setups lang na kailangan yung intraday chart. Pero mostly, all the setups nakafocus lang sa daily chart. Just keep it simple and never overcomplicate things. Master the daily first before using the intraday.